Hi, this is Bob Timm in Minot, North Dakota. And even up far north as North Dakota, we do use air conditioning. We have very hot and humid summers, and so it's a necessary tool. Not everybody uses window air conditioners, granted. Most people have central air. But if you do have window air conditioners, now is the time to remove them. This is September 11th, and the season's over. So when you put your air conditioner away, it's best to do a little bit of maintenance. We're not talking much here, and I want to show you what you need to do. First of all, and most obvious, remove your air conditioner from the window. Storing it in the window over the winter is not a good plan for the air conditioner, for your heat bill, or for any good reason. The best place to store your window air conditioner for the winter would be, say, in your basement, or if need be in the garage, but I think it's best to keep it in a warm place stored for the winter. Now, obviously the simplest thing you can do is to wipe off the surface. This one's very dirty. Just have a bucket here of soapy water and a sponge. And all I'm going to do is just wipe off the top. See how filthy that is? Obviously, this is the portion of the air conditioner that sits out in the outdoor element for the entire summer. Now, by doing this now, instead of waiting till spring, it won't be as caked on or settled in or whatever, and it'll just be much more enjoyable to reinstall it in the spring if you don't have to clean it first. The other tool that you'll want to use for cleaning your air conditioner is, I love the little shop vac. This is just the little 1 gallon, 1 horsepower shop vac. And what you want to do with the shop vac, now for cleaning the outside portion of it, you probably want to use a brush end instead of this nozzle end. The nozzle end could dent or these little fins here, and you don't want the fins dented, you don't want them bent in any way. So this would not be the proper end for cleaning the back side of the air conditioner. This is actually fairly clean as it is right now, but I will do that after I demonstrate what all we need to do. The other portion to be cleaned is the front side that was in the house over the summer. Obviously we kept the surfaces clean because we like to have a clean house. But besides the surface on the inside here, and most air conditioners will say where to pull to open, but pull here. And then we have a filter inside of there. And you can see this filter almost looks like a lint trap on a dryer with all kinds of lint or dust and dirt on it. That is where you could use the nozzle end of the wet-dry vac or the shop vac. So once you vacuum that off, you place it back in, and that's really all the maintenance you need to do to your window air conditioner before you store it away. Like I say, then in the spring, you're good to go for the next cooling season. Thank you.